Switching to Xfinity Mobile from Straight Talk is generally a smooth process. First, ensure your Straight Talk number is active and in good standing. To prepare, gather your account number, the last four digits of your SSN, billing zip code, and obtain a port-out PIN via the Straight Talk app or customer service. Xfinity Mobile runs on Verizon's 5G network, ensuring a seamless transfer. The porting process could take under 4 hours, but potentially up to 1 to 2 business days. This is all thanks to FCC number portability rules and Xfinity Mobile's integration with Verizon's updated API, which ensures porting requests are handled quickly to minimize service disruptions. Begin by signing up for Xfinity Mobile online or in-store, selecting a plan starting around $15 per month for 1 GB of data. Next, request a number port, providing your Straight Talk information including the port-out PIN. Xfinity Mobile then submits the request to Straight Talk. Upon approval, which typically occurs within hours, your number transfers and the new SIM activates. Test your Xfinity Mobile service to confirm everything is working properly. Cancel Straight Talk promptly to avoid extra charges. Xfinity Mobile may offer incentives such as $10 off your first bill. Note that any unpaid bills or incorrect information could cause delays. Always settle any account issues and double-check all your information. Xfinity Mobile supports eSIM for iPhones if you want to avoid using a physical SIM. If any issues arise, FCC mediation can assist. Contact them for support to make the switch painless.